If you do not have an LMS and you do not have a Gmail or Microsoft Outlook account, you can still purchase products and create an account with your personal email address. To create an account, select the product you want to purchase, add the product to your cart, view the cart, then select I don't have an LMS listed above. Enter your information to create an account. Once your account has been created, you can log in by selecting Account Sign In, entering your email, and signing in. More information about accessing products that you have purchased can be found in the link in the description.